Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer survey data from Typeform to HubSpot step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Typeform account. Locate the survey from which you wish to transfer data. Click on the survey to open its settings. Navigate to the Responses section to view collected data. Select the responses you want to transfer. In the upper right corner, click on the Export button. Choose the format for your data export, typically CSV. Download the exported file and save it to your computer. Now, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Contacts tab in your HubSpot dashboard. Click on Import to begin the import process. Choose the option for importing a file. Select the CSV file you downloaded from Typeform. Map the fields from your Typeform data to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. Ensure that each field aligns correctly to avoid data mismatches. Once mapping is complete, click Next to proceed. Review your settings and confirm the import. Click Finish to initiate the data transfer. Wait for HubSpot to process your import. Check the Contacts section to verify that the data has been successfully imported. Your survey response data from Typeform is now available in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.